gonna make some stuffed salmon. Mommy's really excited. Okay, because Mommy loves her salmon. Right?
I want it.
You love salmon? No.
I want to tea.
Yeah, you girls are gonna put all this in. Don't you worry, okay? Don't you worry.
I want it.
Okay. They're really excited because they love helping me in the kitchen, don't you? Yeah.
Yes, sir, Mommy.
Yes, sir, Mommy. We're going through a yes, sir, Mommy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir, ma'am. You hear that?
Yes, sir, ma'am, Dad. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Okay, can we get back to cooking now?
No.
Oh, no. So what we did before the video is we put cream cheese in the bowl. Okay, that's the only thing that's in this bowl right now. So don't get all like excited, going, oh, she's already done it. I'm not done it. Don't you? Okay. So this is softened cream cheese. This is one whole brick. Okay. We're gonna put some. You want to put the cheese in? Okay. You can put the cheese in. So that's half a cup of mozzarella cheese. We're gonna put in with the cream cheese. Boom. And you tap it. Tap, tap, tap. Here you go. Good job. Good job. And which one do you want to put in? You want to put the spinach in? So this is half a cup of spinach that goes in here as well. Okay? I know. The spinach is just sticking to it. Sticking to it. And it's all chopped nice and fine, so it's going to be all stuck in our teeth tonight. Woo! Oh, there's still more. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, we're all done. Please turn it up right. Turn it up right. Anyone else cook with kids in their kitchen? We started doing it. Is it okay if your sister puts it in? It's the last thing to put in. Are you sure you're okay with if your sister does it? We started getting the kids to help us in the kitchen is because it actually gets them to eat the food that we're making because they're seeing it made, they're making it with us, and they're very proud of their creations, right? So that's why we started getting them in the kitchen and these videos. It's literally just because no, we're gonna mix it. Okay. It's just because they started getting fixed on foods, like only eating like certain foods. Yeah, those are. We're gonna actually fry. Actually, I should. Oh, you did? Did you get it hot? No. We're actually gonna fry the salmon up in the butter. But it got them off and trying different things. Like the reason why they eat the fat bombs, they like brownie fat bombs, they like the cheesecake fat bombs, they like chocolate chip fat bombs, and it's literally because they make it. That's how I got them to try it, right? With a lot of stuff that we make, the cheese biscuits, bagels, bread, stuff like that, they make it, and that's how we've got them to try it. So if you have picky eaters, try and get them in the kitchen so they can see their creations and be very proud of it. I don't want to build a snowman right now. But that just kind of like gets them very proud of what they're making. And I guess I should put the spices in. Yeah, it helps with it. So we're going to put the spices in. What we use for this, you can literally put any spice that you want in there, okay? No, I told you that it was the last thing we're doing, okay? It was the bowl. And you said your sister could put them in. Okay, so this is Italian spice. We're going to put some Italian spice. But literally you can put any spices that you want in there. We're going to do some garlic powder in here. Okay. We are going to do some parsley. Okay, and then we're going to do some black pepper with a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. Obviously, because we're keto, so we add pink Himalayan salt to everything, don't we? Black pepper. Don't sneeze. Achoo! Hey! So we're going to grind up some pink Himalayan salt in here. Oh, sorry. Did I get you with some? Did I get you with some? And then we're going to do a little mix of all the spices. And then we're going to layer it all in on the fish. Sure. If you, I don't know what you want to eat off the counter, but sure, why not? Oh, it's salt. Do you like it? So we have salmon here. The recipe says if you have like a nice thick piece to cut it in half and shove it inside. What we did instead of doing that, because salmon is very delicate to well, maneuver. It falls apart very easily, right? So what we did is we cut into fours, and we're gonna make little sandwiches out of it. So that's how we got around with it falling apart, is we make sandwiches out of it. Okay. So we got 2 pieces for one sandwich, and then 2 pieces for another sandwich, and we're just gonna use this mixture here, and we're gonna get it right in on the salmon. We're gonna layer it up real good. We're gonna make nice sandwiches out of it. Yeah? Yeah. So there's actually different variations of this stuffing that you can make. We've made it like this. Okay, it's pretty plain. But we've also put bacon bites in it. So that's a good, like, really cool thing that you can put inside these little sandwiches. We've also put shrimp. Okay, those little mini shrimps that you can get, not the big jumbo ones. But we put those in this mixture. And that's another little cool way that we can do this as well. Okay? Yeah, and then we just put it on. Here we go. And we're made little salmon sandwiches.
I don't want these.
You don't want these. Okay. No, don't worry. We got you making something else. Okay? So there we go. Now, we're going to get them on the frying pan. The frying pan is nice and hot now with olive oil in it. Okay? We're going to put these down. What you're going to do is let the bottom sear. Okay? It's going to turn a little bit brown. Okay? Then you're going to flip it. You're going to put 2 tablespoons of butter in it. So you're going to put like little chunks of butter in it. Then you're going to squeeze a lemon all in the pan. And once it's flipped, okay, like after your first flip, right? And then you're going to let that sear for another about 6 minutes. So it's going to be nice and brown. You can take it off, and that's it. That's it. So you can do it here on the pan, the frying pan, or the barbecue. You can do it as well. Let me just kind of get some of this stuff out of the way. You can maybe try and turn it. You're not going to be able to see into the pan, like, at all.
Mommy.
Like, at all. No, they're not going to be able to see into the pan. But here's the pan. This is what we're doing.
Mommy.
This is what we're going to do.
Mommy.
Okay, so you can at least kind of see the action of it. Normally I have a better angle from my pan, so I do apologize. This is the pan here, not this one. This one. Well, no, honey. Not right now, okay? So the pan is getting nice and hot. We're going to put these sandwiches on. Okay, mommy needs rinse her hand and grab a flipper. Yeah, a flipper. So we can get them flipped. So you can kind of see them in the pan, I guess. Kind of, sort of. Yeah. But you're at least going to get the idea of what we're doing. Okay, so. I know. We're almost ready for supper, I promise. Okay.
They don't see me.
Oh, they don't see you? That's what you're upset about? Do you want to come over here, maybe stand here? You might be able to get seen there. You can see here. If you want. They're very upset that you can't see them right now. See, there you go. Say hi. Hi. Adeline, you may have to step back. Step back. Stand by the fridge. They'll be able to see you there. See there. They can see you now. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. All right. I don't think this is like hot enough. I don't think the pan was hot enough when we stuck it on, because normally they go and they're not doing. So I don't think the pan was hot enough. I did turn it up. You hear them? Are you a snake? So basically, once I flip them, then you can see where the butter goes, the lemons go, and then you're good to go. Yeah. But I do encourage you to try and put little bacon bites, like actually cook the bacon strips, cut it up into little bites, and stick it into the mixture as well. Like that is like one of our favorites. I just don't have bacon left because we did all that bacon wrap stuff the other day for you guys. So we're out of bacon. But with it frying up in the butter and the lemon juice. Now they're just really excited because it's supper, so they're just going to be running around in the background there.
Hey, I don't know.
That's just what they do. Not quite. We're getting there. Normally, if your pan's hot, it doesn't take very long. I think their concentration of cooking is done. Here we go. I think we're almost there. What, honey? Okay, hey, stop. She's asking you to stop. Are you dizzy? Yeah, you're dizzy. Girls.
Evelyn. You know,
Here we go. So then once we flip them, get some lemon juice on. This is actually pretty good. We had a not the greatest day today with the girls, well, with Evelyn. So this is actually doing good. We had an appointment today with the behavioral specialist, and well, he definitely saw a lot of the behaviors we were talking about with him. Just put it away. She's asking you to stop. Almost, guys. This is why I normally don't do the cooking part on the video. I just do the preparations of it, and I'll show you a picture after. Okay, it's almost there. It's starting to turn brown. Yay, I can flip them and show you. Yeah, flip them both over. The reason I flip them both over is they're a lot thicker sandwiches than I thought. What, honey? I'll go ahead and please leave her alone. Okay. So, they are now browned. We're going to stick the butter in. With the butter all melted.
You need it back. I have to stand back to see it.
Okay. And then we're going to stick the lemon juice in. We're going to squeeze the lemon. We're going to do it all on top here. Make sure there's no seeds on the salmon. There we have it. So I'll bring you a little bit closer to this frying pan so you can see. Let me take this back up. There we go. Can you take them off and hand them to me? Here we go. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Nice and brown. We got some lemon juice and butter. They're frying up. We'll be done in just a couple minutes. Pretty awesome. Looks delicious, doesn't it? I'm like excited for this. So this is stuffed salmon, and we're gonna eat it up. But there's different variations, like I said. So pick one that you like and then try it out. Okay? I'll see you guys later. I'll definitely take a picture of this. Don't you worry. Bye, guys.